Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Agricultural Science Grade 10. Question: define the term pasture. A pasture is an area of land covered with grasses and other forage plants that is used by grazing or browsing animals as their food source. Pastures provide the bulk of feed for livestock and are managed to maintain productive, nutritious vegetation. Question: identify the pasture that is poorly managed. The correct answer is pasture A. Pasture A shows clear signs of overgrazing, meaning animals have fed on the area too intensely without allowing enough time for the plants to recover. As a result, its monthly production is extremely low at only 350 kilograms, which is far below the production levels of the other pastures. This low output indicates weak plant growth, poor soil cover, and declining pasture health, all signs of poor management. Question: give reasons that indicate the pasture is poorly managed. The following reasons indicate pasture A is being poorly managed. 1. The pasture is overgrazed. Pasture A shows clear evidence of overgrazing, which means the vegetation has been eaten down too heavily by livestock. When grazing pressure is too high, plants cannot regrow effectively, leading to thinning plant cover, exposed soil, and reduced vigor. Overgrazing weakens the entire pasture ecosystem and results in poor feed availability for animals. 2. Production is low. Another indicator of poor management is the noticeably low level of feed production in this pasture. Healthy, well-managed pastures produce dense, nutritious vegetation, but pasture A shows limited growth. Low production levels reflect poor plant recovery, soil depletion, and inadequate management practices, such as lack of resting and inappropriate stocking rates. 3. Production is 350 kilograms. The diagram shows that pasture A produces only 350 kilograms per month, which is significantly lower than the other pastures. This number confirms that the pasture is performing poorly and cannot sustain consistent feed supply. Such a low yield directly signals degraded vegetation and mismanagement, reinforcing that pasture A is in poor condition. Question: pasture B is well managed. Support the statement with visible reasons from the diagram. Pasture B is well managed due to the following visible reasons. 1. The pasture is rested. Pasture B is well managed because it has clearly been given enough resting time between grazing periods. Resting a pasture allows plants to recover, rebuild leaf material, and strengthen their root systems. This improves the overall health of the vegetation and ensures the pasture remains productive over time. The healthy plant cover seen in pasture B suggests it was not grazed continuously and was given proper recovery time. 2. High production per month of 1,200 kilograms. Another sign of good management is the high monthly production of 1,200 kilograms, which is far above the output of the other pastures. High production indicates strong plant growth, healthy soil, and effective management practices, such as appropriate stocking rates and rotational grazing. This level of productivity shows that the pasture is being used in a sustainable way that supports long-term feed availability. 3. Pasture is not overgrazed. Pasture B also shows no signs of overgrazing. The vegetation is still dense and vigorous, which means animals have not consumed it beyond the point of recovery. When a pasture is not overgrazed, plants can continue to photosynthesize, grow back quickly, and maintain their nutritional value. This makes the pasture healthier, more productive, and better able to support livestock throughout the year. Question: suggest management practices that lead to a good pastoral condition. The following management practices lead to good pastoral condition. 1. Appropriate stock rate. A good pastoral condition begins with maintaining an appropriate stock rate, which means keeping the number of grazing animals in balance with the land's carrying capacity. When animals are matched correctly to what the pasture can support, plants have enough time to grow back after grazing. This prevents overgrazing, protects soil cover, and keeps the vegetation productive and healthy throughout the season. 2. Balanced animal ratio. Another important management practice is maintaining a balanced animal ratio. This involves managing the mix of different species and age groups, such as cattle with sheep, or mature animals with young ones. Different animals graze in different ways, and balancing them helps ensure that the pasture is used more evenly. This reduces selective grazing, prevents certain plants from being overused, and promotes a healthier, more diverse plant community. 3. Planned grazing system. Implementing a planned grazing system, such as rotational or controlled grazing, is essential for sustaining good pastoral condition. These systems allow paddocks to be grazed for short periods and then rested to encourage regrowth. By rotating animals through different sections of land, farmers maintain plant vigor, improve forage production, prevent soil erosion, and support long-term pasture health. Question: use the information provided to each pasture and calculate the production percentage for pasture C. Show all calculations. To calculate the production percentage of pasture C, the first step is to determine the total amount of feed produced by all 4 pastures. We do this by adding the values together. Therefore, total production is 350 kilograms for pasture A, plus 200 kilograms for pasture B, plus 600 kilograms for pasture C, plus 900 kilograms for pasture D, which is equal to 3,050 kilograms. Next, the contribution of pasture C is calculated by dividing its production by the total production and converting the answer to a percentage. Therefore, open parenthesis 600 divided by 3,050 close parenthesis times 100 is equal to 19.7%. Therefore, pasture C contributes 19.7% of the total feed produced. Question: calculate the quantity of feed to be produced by pasture D per year. Pasture D produces 900 kilograms of feed per month. To determine the yearly production, multiply the monthly output of 900 kilograms by the 12 months of the year. Therefore, 900 times 12 months is equal to 10,800 kilograms. Pasture D hence produces 10,800 kilograms of feed per year.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.